In this video, we're going over how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A20 so you can use it with any carrier. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the latest tech coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. We're going to keep it short and sweet and show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy A20 so you can use it with any carrier. The first step is you want to go to your phone app, and we need to get the IMEI, so you're going to dial *#06#. That's going to bring up our IMEI. So take a screenshot of that or write that down because you're going to need that first number right there. For the next step, we're going to go down to Google Chrome and we're going to go to the website, theunlockingcompany.com. First, you will select the manufacturer of your phone, which is Samsung, and then the model. You're going to go to Galaxy A20, and we've gone slightly too far. Here we go, Galaxy A20. Hit unlock now. Swipe up. You will need to select the country you purchased the phone in. So for us, it's US, and the carrier is going to be Metro PCS. Click next again. On this last page, you will need to enter that IMEI that we got in the first step. So we'll go ahead and put that number in now. Your first name and last name. And your phone number associated with the phone as well. And before you hit order now, you will want to just swipe down and read this disclaimer. It basically tells you which carriers your phone will now be able to be used with. Basically all GSM carriers. So just as a note, if you're trying to unlock your phone to use it with non-GSM carriers such as, let's see where that list is. So here it tells you, so CDMA networks such as Verizon, Sprint, Boost Mobile, C Spire, it most likely won't work on those networks. However, if you were to go on their website, you can check their bring your own phone compatibility link. And if that link says it's compatible, then you can use it with that network. But if it says it's not compatible, then you probably shouldn't try to unlock it because it means the phone still won't work with that network, just as an FYI. At the bottom here, you'll find the price. So the average price you'll see, they always give you a discount. So this is what you're going to pay. And then this is the average turnaround time. And they tend to lean more on the first number, not the second, but they keep it open-ended, so just as an FYI. So at this point, you would click order now, and then you're going to wait for a response email from the unlocking company that's going to have your unlocking PIN. And then the third step, you're going to need to turn the phone off, so hold power. Oh. So it's hold power. Power off the phone, and then in the box of the phone, or if you have a paper clip, you will need to pop out the SIM card. So it goes right on the left side, upper left side of the phone. You're going to take out the original SIM that came with the phone and put in the SIM card of the new service you're trying to use it with. So in this case, I'm taking out a Metro PCS SIM card and putting a Cricket SIM card in. And then from here, I'm going to hold down power and restart the phone. At this point, wait for the email from the unlocking company. It will have the final steps of how to finish the unlock. The process is constantly changing, so we're not going to show you the old process because by the time you watch the video, it may have changed. So wait for that email. It'll have your unlocking PIN as well as the final steps to do the unlock. And if you still have any issues after that, you can always go back to their website, theunlockingcompany.com, and you can call the support number you'll find at the top of the screen. Hope you guys did find this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button, and also we'll have a link in the description below that will have the website, theunlockingcompany.com, and leave a comment down below and let us know if the video was helpful for you. Take care and have a good one.